How to win a gas war. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can basically win a gas war and what it basically is. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to this website called gasnow.org. Now this is a pretty amazing website, and over here we can basically predict how much fluctuation is in the market of the NFTs and stuff like that. So if you look here at the top, the rapid is 74, which is quite a lot. As you can see, it just changed to 82. It keeps increasing and decreasing as the time being. So now it's come down to 57, and now it's increased to 63 again, which means that there is a lot of gas wars happening and the market is fluctuating as well. So how do you basically win a gas war and what it basically is? So if we come over here on OpenSeas and come over here on Marketplace, and we can see we have a couple of NFTs over here, and they are going over for pretty decent prices. So One Force is one of the most anticipated NFTs of this year. So let's just go ahead and check it out. So if we click on this one over here, and if we come down over here in the details, we can see we have the contract address, and if we click over here, and we can see that over here these are the transaction lists, and we can see these are all pending. Nope, these are all the transactions. So which basically means, as you can see, it's quite a lot, meaning there is a quite a lot of gas war happening. So as we can see, these are all the pending ones. It's set for approval, stuff like that. So if we click on this one, on this list over here, we can see there's a lot of things going on over here, meaning this is basically a gas war. Now what you basically have to do is you have to pay a little over the rapid. So the rapid is 62 right now. Now as you can see, it's 15 seconds. So how you can basically do that is if we go over to OpenSeas and we click on buy now, and we have to sign in with your MetaMask. So let me just go ahead and sign in real quick. So basically you also need a Ethereum wallet. So be sure you get one ready as soon as, because the gas war won't wait for you. So as you can see, I've logged in, and if I click on buy now, so this is quite expensive. So I'm going to go ahead and find out another one. So I'm going to go ahead and choose something that is less expensive. Let's just say this one, because I think this is pretty cool. So if I click on my MetaMask over here, got it. So over here, as you can see, this is the NFT. And over here, if I click on details and click on the OpenSea contract, so as you can see, these there over here, this is what we're talking about. This is what the thing that we want. Over here, the main thing that we need to find out is this one, the pending taxons. So if we click on over here, this is the gas war going on as of right now. Now over here, as you can see, we can see the amount of gas people are paying. So this is a gas war that is happening right now. So what you want to basically do is pay more than what these people have paid. So as you can see, this person has paid over 70, and this one is paid over 76, and this one has paid over 99. So this one is the maximum fee per gas as of right now. So I think you have to pay more to be able to get this NFT. So these are all the pending transfers. So if you want to cut in line, all you have to do is pay more than what this person has paid. So this is what basically a gas war is. Now how you basically win that is, as I said before, you keep an eye out on the rapid, and you pay just a little bit or more over the rapid. Okay, so right now it's 66. Let me just refresh it to see if it is 66. And yeah, it is 66. So let's just say you'll have to at least pay 70 to be able to win. You can't pay less than the rapid or pay the exact same amount. You have to pay a little bit more, and that's because rapid keeps changing, so you have to be as close to the next possible number. So as you can see right now, it's 76. So if you had paid 66, you would not be winning the gas war. But if you had paid like 75, then you would be, because you are a lot closer to the next rapid. So keep that in mind, guys. So that was the first way. Basically just keep an eye out on the rapid and stuff like that. The second way was for the gas way, and as you can see, we also have gas tracker over here. So if you click on gas tracker, so this is the 66 is the lowest GUE, I think. I don't know how you pronounce it. I think GUE. Yeah, I think it's GUE. And the average is 64. Gwei, and the highest is 66 Gwei. So that's technically true, but if we check out over here on their website, it's 74 as of right now. So don't check the gas tracker of Etherscan. Just keep an eye out on the website called Gas Now. They also have a pretty cool extension. I've also have downloaded. Let me just show you guys over here. So this is the extension. So as you can see, I don't even have to click. Right now the rapid is 67. So if I click on it over here, this is fast. If I choose rapid, it'll show me rapid. So right now rapid is 80, and it's, as you can see, it's synced with their website. So this is a pretty cool extension that could be really helpful within Gas Wars. You don't have to keep going back to the website to look at it. You can just simply keep an extension over here and then just simply watch it from over here, and then just pay the transactions above the rapid. So if the rapid is above 77, which is like $5.50, then you have to pay a little bit over than that. Let's just say you have to pay 80. Now how do you basically pay it? So let me just show you guys. So over here on OpenSeas, let me just sign in. So as you can see, I have signed in. Let me just explore over here and try to find one. Let me just find the cheapest one that I can over here. Sort by low to high. Okay, I don't think, yes, though I have to at least buy something. What about this one? Let's see. Okay, so it works. So now all we have to do is just simply click on buy now. As you can see, my MetaMask is open. And over here, what you want to do is come over here onto data, click on edit, click on advanced option. And over here, this is the gas limit. Now you remember you have to pay what the gas fee is. So right now the gas fee is changing. So let's just pay at least a little over what it is right now. So let's just say that, as you can see, it's 62 to 51, so we'll pay at least 70. So remember, you have to pay the Gwei price. So remember, you should keep an eye on what that basically is, if it's worth it, if you're okay with paying that amount. If you're not okay with paying that amount, you don't have to do that. So as of right now, as you can see, the Gwei is pretty high, and right now it's about 234. And now it keeps changing, and it keeps going up and down. That's because currently there is a gas war happening, so you're witnessing it. And this is basically what happens on gas now when there's a gas war happening. So I think 1.4 just launched, so I think it's causing it as well. Like the rapid is really fluctuating right now. So this is a gas war, and now you basically know what it means and how you can win it. Basically, come over to this website, pay a little over rapid, and you should be good to go. I think this is the best way to do it, and I think a lot of the people, and if I put my money on the mark, I would say that 90% of the NFT community uses this way. They come over to this website, uses the information that they get from Gas Now, and then they pay a little over what the website says, and they basically get the NFT, and that's how you basically win a gas war. So if you have any questions for me, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.